Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can embed video in Framer. So let's get straight into it. So the best way to keep your site fast while using a professional player is head over here to the top left corner, insert button, and then let's go to the media tab down here and drag the YouTube or Vimeo or just video mode here into our project, just like that. As you can see now here, we have YouTube component in our Canva. Now here at the right side, properties panel, you can paste this URL from the YouTube here, video URL. You can paste it right here. Then customize toggle settings like autoplay, mute loop, or show control, and so on. With height, you can adjust overlays, cursors, and so on. And yeah, and this is pretty much it, what you can do with that. Then you can also, if you want to insert the TikTok or Instagram video, you have also here in the insert tab option for that. It's here under the socials. So you have Instagram post here that you can use. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you